did that. There's the way Boston will line up. Jerry Seasting in the game. Danny Ainge. The pivot with Dave Corzine. They got Steve Coulter in a trade, and of course Parrish and Waiters will jump it. McHale plays Oakley. Parrish against Waiters. Cureton against Bird. Jordan hangs in the air. I had the privilege of doing the playoff game last year where Michael had 63.
But this time of the game, we're just feeling each other out anyway to see what's going to work.
Jordan from 18. Not been fouled yet. He's not been called. Jordan one-on-one with Dennis Johnson. Hangs in the air.
Now we see how he got his 63.
Yep, exactly like this. Against one of the best defensive players in the game, Parrish.
We don't even know.
Jordan. He's got 8.
Just take his shots when they come and do the things he always. That's one of the things you have to discipline yourself not to do.
Chicago doing a great job off the glass. They'll start over. Jordan hangs in the air again. Finally misses. Waiters misses. Boston finally. He's got Bird on the wing. Leaves it beautifully for Parrish. What a puck. Jordan quickly on the attack at the other end.
Outstanding one-on-one play that was.
Jordan has 12. Celtics by 1 with 4:43. McHale with a nice move.
Now the injury you would have used in the game, you still got it. Great shot there.
That was bitted. Bird against Cureton. Wheels. Left-hand deal. Score it and a foul.
Cancel.
2, 1. It's good if it goes. It goes. Score it. On top despite this last second bit of brilliance.
Now that takes just so many different things. He had to control the ball, keep it away from it, and then lead cheers after he gets through.
That's versatility.
He had to control the ball.
Bird spins by Cureton.
Shoulder that he put in with
7:05.
What the Celtics are making him do is good shot there.
Bird plays Jordan. Late whistle. Who's the foul going to be on? It's going to be on McKay. He has 18. He's a 79% free throw shooter coming in. 5 out of 5 tonight. For their game tonight. Jordan hangs in the air. That was a nice shot.
Let's take a look at Michael Jordan. Let's see. What you guys are referee?
Did you ever referee?
Oh yeah, that's some good way to get in fights with your teammates.
I guess arrogance isn't the word for it, but there's just, like you said, you know you can get it done. Well, Oakley got it done that time. It's the other way with 7:15 left third quarter. Chicago needs to get hot. Dennis Johnson, the foul. There's the start. Jordan.
Take it away from the game.
Jordan. Yes. Chicago knocks at the door.
Can put those down.
Dennis Johnson gets it back from Michael Jordan. In the head of the circle, Dennis in and out. Granville Waiters the rebound. Again, they can move to within 8. Here comes Paxson. He finds Jordan.
And from the outside, Jordan is a better shooter when he takes the ball and pops it without dribbling or any flex or anything.
Again, an 8-point lead. Roberts up top. Seasting. 4:15 left third quarter. Roberts, it won't go. Rebound, Waiters knocked away. Oakley with it. They can move to within 6. Jordan hangs in the air, yes. Boston calls time. 3 on the shot clock. Jordan's aware of that. 12 in the quarter, 33. Bird behind the back. Dennis Johnson can't control it. Jordan has a 3-on-1, keeps it himself. That's a good foul by Seasting.
Also, see that If he passed the ball off and they dunked it, the crowd would be still ringing your ears.
Balls were earlier. 9:55. Jordan. No foul, but score. Bird is double teamed. Dishes it off. Parrish has it knocked loose. Chicago can take the lead. It's Jordan. Off Oakley.
Paxton has had himself quite a game.
Jordan changed it. Great shot. Great shot. Bird. Yes.
Almost.
Jordan goes to the base. Wheels and deals. That's a great shot. Good job by Oakley. It's still alive. Jordan. Good pass. Surprised Oakley. Sellers gets close. Scoring. And a foul. Oh, they go to McHale. Good fake. He missed the shot. Harris missed the rebound. McHale got the next. Sellers jumps out on Bird. Parrish set the pick. Roll low to Parrish. Down low to McHale. Yes.
Two guys are working pretty good together.
I'll say. And it's suddenly a 10-point game and only a minute left. And Jordan wants a three-point play. What are they going to call? A loose ball. Boston just sort of tiptoed away with this one in the last couple of minutes. Once Jordan got in the open floor, 11-2. Chicago's 5-3, or they will be in just a moment. It's over. Michael Jordan scored 48, but Boston, as they usually do, won the game. 110-98 the final, and we'll be back right after this.